It was certainly a hot and toasty one. We climbed up to a high of 87 degrees. It felt warmer because it was just very humid across the area, and that's what helped pump up these thunderstorms that we saw later this evening and afternoon. The good news is that boundary is pushing off to the southeast, and that is actually going to bring us some clearer conditions for at least the overnight period, but I still don't want to rule out that possibility of a stray shower. We do have a stray shower just north of Kokomo. However, the rest of the area, it's staying dry at this time. Futurecast shows tonight at midnight. There's still that chance for a spotty shower thunderstorm. This is showing midnight once again, and then they stick around at least until we get to Sunday morning, when we start to see that boundary really push off, and then we just start to dry out to at least start off on your Sunday. Once again, we could still see a lingering shower or storm overnight. Otherwise, we're going to see a very unsettled pattern through Sunday, and that's going to bring us another chance for rain for Sunday. But the best news of all, we're going to get relief from that heat as a cold front does move through the area by Sunday. Taking a look at our Renaissance camera, it's a beautiful evening. We're actually seeing cloudy skies, 73 degrees with winds coming from the east at 9 miles per hour. And tonight we're going to fall to 68 degrees here in Lafayette. I'm expecting partly cloudy skies, but still seeing that chance for a shower or thunderstorm during the overnight period with winds between 0 to 5 miles per hour. Tonight we're going to fall into the upper 60s across the region and lower 70s to our south. 71 for Crawfordsville, 68 for Delphi, 66 Monticello, 64 up to our north in Winnemac. And to start off tomorrow, partly cloudy, 70 degrees at 8 in the morning. We still could see a lingering shower, I would say before 7 o'clock, but once we roll into 8 o'clock in the morning, we should dry out a bit. Once we get to noon, clouds will start to increase and will also bump up into the 80s, 84 by noon, and then eventually 91 degrees, and seeing that chance for a thunderstorm by tomorrow afternoon. But check out these highs: upper 80s to our north, 87 Logansport, 89 Kokomo, and further south 91 for Covington and Crawfordsville. Once again, a high of 91 degrees for Lafayette. Taking a look at our Futurecast Sunday morning, staying pretty dry and even through lunch. This shows Sunday at noon, and then once we get to the afternoon and evening, we have another boundary moving through, and that could trigger some showers and thunderstorms at Sunday at 7 through the overnight period, and we'll have a dry start to Monday at 7 o'clock in the morning, and it's going to look dry for your Labor Day. High of 82 degrees, seeing partly cloudy skies, and then by Tuesday we're going to see 75 again, seeing partly cloudy skies, and then we're going to see a very dry pattern for the rest of the week. Mostly sunny skies on Wednesday with a high of 82 degrees. We bump up to 83 degrees by Thursday, seeing partly cloudy skies through Saturday, and then we'll have a high of 85 for Friday. And also for Saturday, I'm happy about that 75 degrees. I was really getting sick of the 90s. Just one more day of sticking it out.
I was going to say that temperature on Tuesday is going to be a nice break after what we went through last